Chris Chinnock here for the 8K Monitor. I'm here with Andrew in the IO Industries booth, and we have a really nice miniature 8K camera that this company's put together. Andrew, why don't you tell us about this camera?
Sure. So this is what we call our 8K SDI camera. It's a Super 35 global shutter 8K POV camera. It's basically a compact form factor camera. We've got interchangeable lenses, Canon or F mount or PL mount. It's got quad 12G SDI, so it streams full, uncompressed, 10-bit broadcast quality 8K video straight out the back into a 8K receiver of your choice. So this can go into monitors, recorders, fiber optic extenders, streamers, etc. So yeah, it's one of the most smallest 8K video devices that are out there, and we're happy to show it off here at NAB.
Yeah, and I can see you've got these HD high-density SDI cables. I haven't seen these before. There's so many.
That's right. Yeah, it really lets you pack a lot of connectors into a small space, the HD BNC connectors.
Yeah, and you also have a nice, very large customer who's talking about getting a lot of these for a major U.S. sporting franchise. Is that correct?
Yeah, that's correct. Yeah, it's a nice project that we're really happy to be part of.
Yeah, well, I look forward to learning more about it when you can tell me.
Indeed.
All right, thanks, Andrew.
Thanks, Chris.